Are you running an aftermarket cage or just looking for a little bit more headroom on your Polaris General? Well, SuperATV has the fix with our seat lowering bases, and today we're going to show you how to get them installed. The first thing you're going to do is get inside your machine and go ahead and remove your seat. And obviously our machine's brand new. We haven't taken our seat base off, so we still do have our plastic on here. We're just gonna get our seat laid up on a good spot to where we can work on it. Sit it right back here on the bed of the machine. We'll take a T27 and we'll go ahead and remove all 4 of these screws securing the plastic base. And then what we'll do is take our adjuster here in the front, pull it over to the side, and we can just lift our base right off. So then it'll look just like this. So now we're on the bench here. We have all our components laid out. If you're working on the driver's side like we are, you're gonna wanna make sure that your bracket's oriented like this so that the flat section is going away or to the right. This will be the driver's side bracket. This side right here will be the passenger side. Again, we're working on the driver's side. So it'll install just like this right here. What we want to do is take our hardware, slide it through with one of our plastic washers on the head of the Allen headed screw. Then we're going to place one right here as well. We'll want to do this, we'll want to get them both set up to where they go together. Otherwise it can be a little bit of a pain to do. So we'll take them, line them up. So it'll be just like this right here. He'll go to this hole as well as that hole. Then you'll grab your nuts, your nylock nuts provided in the kit. Just go ahead and get them started. As you can see, you can kind of see how it functions right there. So now we're gonna get a 3/16 Allen and a 13mm wrench. And we're just gonna go ahead and snug these up. You do not want to fully tighten them. You don't want to over tighten them. So what I like to do is just kind of get them snugged up and then back them off a quarter turn. All right, so we have our seat base set up how we like it. As you can see, it moves nice and freely. In your kit, you're gonna see that you have a spring. This spring is gonna loop around. So we'll just loop it around this one side. Then you can just take a Phillips head screwdriver or anything that you can get it wrapped up and around there with. So now, whenever you let off, it'll spring back in to latch your seat. So now we're gonna take our base, lay it back up onto our seat, and we're gonna set it up just like this. Again, you'll have to just hit your adjuster to get it slid into place here. And then we got the rest of our hardware pack. So we're gonna have 4 base spacers. These are all gonna lay right here, right above the threaded nuts on the seat. And we're gonna have a washer, a lock washer, and then our Allen headed screw. And then just repeat these same steps for the rest of the 3 screws. So in your kit, you're gonna see that you're gonna have some seal. You're gonna wanna apply this seal starting right here, all the way to about right here. And then you'll do it here as well. I usually just don't go past the bolt. You're just gonna keep it from any kind of rattling it may do. It's gonna keep it from doing that. So now we're ready to get our seat installed. We're just gonna take it and get it in position like that. Just make sure it locks in completely. And there you have it, guys. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV seat lowering bases on this Polaris General. For more information on these seat lowering bases or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.